Welcome back, friends. I'm so glad you're here in my claymation kitchen, ready for another delicious adventure. If you've ever stared at your fridge, wondering what to make for dinner after a long day, you're not alone. Today we're tackling that classic "what's for dinner" dilemma, together with 7 of my absolute favorite 15-minute meals. Forget about ordering takeout or settling for something bland. These recipes are not only super quick, but they're also fresh, vibrant, and absolutely packed with flavor. From sizzling stir-fries to gooey, cheesy quesadillas, and a variety of colorful, mouth-watering dishes, there's truly something for everyone here. And the best part? We're making them all in our fun, playful, claymation style. So, grab your apron, your notepad, and maybe even a friend or two. Let's jump right into the world of quick, easy, and tasty dinners. Are you ready? Let's get started and make some magic in just 15 minutes. First up, let's whip up a speedy chicken stir-fry that's perfect for busy weeknights or when you're craving something fresh and satisfying. Start by slicing your chicken breast as thinly as possible. This helps it cook super fast and stay tender, so you don't have to wait long for dinner. Next, chop up a rainbow of veggies. Think bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas. The more colors, the more nutrients and flavor you'll get in every bite. Heat a splash of oil in a hot wok or large skillet, then add your chicken. Let it sizzle until it's golden and cooked through, stirring occasionally. Now toss in all those vibrant veggies. Stir-fry them for just a couple of minutes so they stay crisp and keep their bright colors. Pour in a simple, homemade sauce. Mix soy sauce, honey, fresh ginger, and garlic for a sweet and savory kick. Or, if you're short on time, a store-bought stir-fry sauce works great too. Give everything a good toss so the chicken and veggies are coated in that glossy, flavorful sauce. Let it bubble for a minute to bring it all together. In under 15 minutes, you've got a healthy, colorful stir-fry that's bursting with flavor and crunch. It's faster than delivery and way more fun to make. Up next, we're making irresistible shrimp tacos, perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a fun weekend treat. Start by seasoning your shrimp generously with chili powder, cumin, and garlic powder. The spices add a bold, zesty flavor that makes every bite pop. Sauté the shrimp in a hot pan with a drizzle of oil. They cook super fast, just about a minute per side, so keep an eye on them as they turn perfectly pink and juicy. While the shrimp sizzle, whip up a quick, crunchy slaw using shredded cabbage, a squeeze of fresh lime juice, and a handful of chopped cilantro. Warm your tortillas on the stove until soft and pliable. To assemble, pile the juicy shrimp onto each tortilla, then top with a generous helping of the tangy slaw. Finish with your favorite toppings: creamy sour cream, spicy hot sauce, and fresh avocado slices. Each bite is bursting with flavor and texture. In just 15 minutes, you'll have restaurant-quality shrimp tacos that are vibrant, delicious, and sure to impress. Enjoy every bite. Got leftover rice? Make veggie fried rice. Cold rice works best. Saute frozen veggies in sesame oil, scramble an egg, then add rice. Pour in soy sauce, toss everything together. Quick, colorful, and perfect for cleaning out the fridge. In minutes, you've got a satisfying bowl of fried rice. Healthier than takeout. Caprese pasta is elegant and lightning fast. Boil quick-cooking pasta. While it cooks, have cherry tomatoes, cube mozzarella, chopped basil. Drain pasta, toss with tomatoes, mozzarella, basil, olive oil, salt, pepper, and a splash of pasta water. The heat melts the cheese and softens the tomatoes. Fresh, light, and beautiful. Italian simplicity in 15 minutes. Perfect for busy nights. Enjoy. Teriyaki salmon feels fancy but is so easy. Pat salmon fillets dry, season and sear skin side down in a hot pan. Flip after a few minutes, then brush with store-bought teriyaki glaze. Let it bubble and caramelize. Serve with microwave rice and steamed broccoli. Healthy, protein-packed, and restaurant-worthy in 15 minutes. Simple, fast, and delicious. Try it tonight. Breakfast for dinner? Yes. Whisk eggs with a splash of milk, salt, and pepper. Sauté quick cooking fillings, ham, spinach, peppers. Pour eggs into the pan, add fillings and cheese, fold, and cook until set. Customize with whatever's in your fridge. Fluffy, cheesy, and ready in minutes. The ultimate quick comfort meal. Omelet night, anyone? Last up, BBQ chicken quesadillas. Use rotisserie chicken for speed, mix chicken with BBQ sauce, sprinkle cheese on a tortilla, add chicken, fold, and cook until golden. Add extras like black beans or corn if you like. Slice and dip in sour cream or salsa. Cheesy, crispy, and ready in no time. Comfort food at its fastest. That's it. 7 delicious 15-minute dinners. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Tag me if you make any of these. I love seeing your creations. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick meal ideas and claymation fun. Thanks for watching. See you next time.